Good morning, students. Welcome to another lecture of Essentials of Business Communication, Unit 4, Presentation Skills and Group Communication. In this lecture of mine, I will be telling you all the aspects of press conference and press release. In our day-to-day life, we actually have witnessed many a times press conference by watching it over your television, and it might be so that many of you have also witnessed it. But what actually is press conference and why do we actually conduct this press conference or what are the normal culture of it, I will be telling you today. And secondly, I will be also focusing upon the aspects of press release. What is press releases and what and how it is being formed to our business angles and all that will be discussed at large. So to begin with, the press conference is when the journalists gather to interview someone well known. May it be MS Dhoni, may it be Mr. Narendra Modi, may it be Donald Trump, may it be anyone. N number of people are there, and they all are those well-known celebrity status of people who are actually conducting the press conference. And not only these people can conduct press conference at large, where the journalist will be called upon a particular platform and a particular kind of information will be shared with them. This usually take place in public and is held in order to answer the sought out question to make necessary announcements. Say for example, what government is doing these days in order to eradicate the pandemic situation, or what has the particular team India has not fared well in those test matches and all, or what is the reason. So our captain, Mr. Virat Kohli, will be just calling out a press conference, or Mr. Narendra Modi will be calling out a press conference wherein he will be telling the people of press that what are the things which a particular government is doing, or the staff from his can call a meeting. So this is just a kind of a thing you can say that sharing of information with general masses, and over here a particular hub of news channel is not being covered, but the series of channels are being covered. Starting from CNN to BBC, from BBC to your national news, from national news to your particular world level news. You can cover each and every reporter at large. You do not have to go to any media office and all to just cover your aspect, but you can call a particular meeting. But it's almost like a meeting. It's almost like a gathering. Wherein the people are actually being called upon to give a particular kind of information and also answer those questions which the people want to know. It is common for press conference to host more than one speaker. See, it might be so that only Mr. Modi will be will be calling a meeting, or along with Mr. Modi, your people from cabinet will also be there just to discuss at large as to what the people are doing or what the government is doing. So not only one speaker, you can have many speaker. You can have a speaker like you can have four or five speakers speaking on a particular topic, and then discussing, and then the people of media will be actually asking the questions to what the particular countrymen want to know. This change depending upon the situation and guest. So it is all dependent upon the guest aspect, that whether they want to go for a single guest, or for the multiple guests. Various high-profile people conduct the press conference, including celebrities, sports star, attorneys, politicians. You can also see that particular thing that President of America, or President of United States always call a particular conference just to create a kind of a situation where the addressal to the people at large will be made. People of America wanted to know that what Donald Trump is doing to eradicate the pandemic situation. So what he did, he actually called upon a press conference where he addressed the people at large that this is what is the situation is, and this is how we are maintaining the thing. So the concept is that you are actually informing people. It's just a kind of the way which a particular information is being done. Now, does it only with the happen of those celebrities or those politicians do business do not do this thing? Yes, business do it quite often. Say for example, you are particularly being associated with Mr. Bachchan, and Mr. Bachchan has signed a contract with you. Now, how you will be promoting your company, because this is something very very big. Mr. Bachchan has actually signed a particular contract. So you will be calling a particular conference, and in that you will be talking to the media persons. You will be talking to the media of CNN. You will be talking to the media of Ask to the media of AP News and all. You need not to go to any particular media room or media house to just deliver the aspect that Mr. Bachchan is with us. Because if you go to one media house, the other will say that this news is not being circulated into R and this is something fake, or those kind of discrepancies will occur. So, in order to eradicate the discrepancies, you can call a particular conference, or you can call a particular press conference where each and every media person will come and take your interview. Understanding the press conference. So, in a press conference, before a press conference it take place, company must issue a press release outlining the nature of the event. See, unlike in a notice, or if you have just gone through the aspect of notice, also in the previous lecture, I have told you about the notice and all. So, notice was all about discussing what the meeting was all about, or or what the meeting will contain. So, the concept of press conference is exactly the same. Press conference will also be conduct. Those press release will be same, because press release will contain as to what the conference will deal about, or what is the reason why they're calling press conference. So it is all about gaining attention. It is all about gaining more momentum. A particular big houses, you can say those houses like, or big business like Tata, Birla, Zamani's, they are creating a kind of an event into, say for example, they want to those Geoplan and all those launch of Geoplan. The launch of Geoplan was held in a party, and in that party, the press people were being called to click those photographs and all. This is not a press conference. This is a kind of a invitation being given to the people of press houses to come and publish the news that Geo has actually launched this offer. This is not a conference, because here no one is asking questions, but is clicking the pictures, or you can say some kind of discussion will be done to the press people and all, just to tell that this is what is the concept all about. So this is just a kind of a formal meeting, not a conference. But for a small business who is launching, say for example, you and I, or any of us are launching a particular small business. So we will actually call media people, we will actually call the people of press to tell them that what we are doing. Say for example, if we are creating something, or we have created something like consultancy and all, or we have opened something like, you can say those channel of your universities, or something like that, we will actually promote that particular thing by giving advertisement. At the same time, if we want to cover the large number of media, or large number of houses, we will be calling the press conference, and the press conference will be able to discuss the things at large. Press conference is also known as news conference, because just like in news conference you are being given information, in the similar manner in press conference also you will be given information, and people will actually ask questions in that particular event, or in a, you can say those invitation and all. People, or the people from press also, they will be just talking in a formal tone with your Ambanis and all. They won't be asking any kind of question and all, because uh, people will be calling, or people of media will be called as two or three numbers, but you cannot call the entire media. So for that you will be actually holding a particular conference, and in that conference the people will be asking questions which the people of India, or people of any country, actually want to know. This is something for the people, of the people, and by the people. Now, there are certain advantages of particular press media, or press media conference. This particular press conference has particular kind of advantages. The very first advantage is that the main advantage of press conference is people calling is that they do not have to repeat themselves to several reporters. See, if I am creating a kind of a company wherein I am promoting masks, or I am also making those PP kits and those masks and the sanitizer. So I'm making these three things. Now I am making these three things, labeling those kind of masks and all as per the government norms and conditions. Now I can make an advertisement on the social media platform. I can make an advertisement on those kind of those medias. You can say those digital media platform. But say for example, if a particular local celebrity also, or a celebrity of, you can say, those kind of TV celebs and all, if he or she launches my particular sanitizer, or launches my PP kit just by wearing it and wearing those masks and all, and promote my thing, this thing will be a big aspect for me. Now I will be calling a press conference. One option is this. And one option is this, that I should call a meeting with each and every press conference, or each and every press person. That means the people from Saras, the people from those AAP News, or people from Asta, people from India News and all. I'll be just calling each one of them and telling that this is what I'm doing. This celebrity is R, and we are doing this kind of business. So just by going to each and every person, different manner, and approaching them won't sort my purpose, and it will just create a havoc situation for me, and it might happen that people will not be able to catch. See, some houses will be flashing my news, and the other will believe that no, why this thing has been done to this particular house, so that means that this is fake. So just to avoid this discrepancy, I will be calling a particular place, a particular platform, wherein I will be calling each and every media person, or each and every person from press or from media, and then I'll be communicating to each and every one of them and answering their questions. Second is the advantages. Journalists reduce the channel, individual newspaper, broadcast situation of missing the story. See, if one particular channel, see, every channel is in competition with another channel, and just say for example, the concept of breaking news. Breaking news is a kind of a thing which every channel is in competition with. How the particular thing is being held or is being flashed for the very first time on your channel, this is the caption of breaking news. So say for example, there is a live match of India Pakistan going on, and India was 298 for 2 or 3, whatever the thing is that, and the wicket of particular batsman goes off, or Virat Kohli departs. So the concept is that this particular news or this particular thing create breaking news on each and every aspect. So the problem with the people, or with the media houses, is that they are into a kind of a cutthroat competition with each other, that they tend to forget many of the things. So they miss out the story. They are into the aspect of missing out the main thing. So the concept, so the company may not actually be missed, or you can say your thing may not be promoted, may be promoted at large. The press conference should be held, and press conference actually introduces the people with a particular product and never misses the story. Disadvantages. I'll be glad to take the questions now. Hey, another Clinton scandal. So the aspect is that in a press conference, disadvantages include, to the media press conference, the major of which is that it is more difficult to get the exclusive story from the press conference. When every reporter hears the same words from the interviewer, they cannot get the secret from each other. See, I told you in my previous slide also that there is a cutthroat competition for the breaking news. Breaking news, this particular person actually got associated with Mr. Bachchan, or just particular thing happened just because of this reason, that he was a relative of him. So this is a kind of a breaking news, and this breaking news, if you just give it in public, or you can see in your press conference, you will be telling each and everything, how it actually happened, what were the things all about, because you want to reveal each and every angle of yours, and people will be asking questions, and everyone will be getting the same kind of answer. So what is different angle? So the concept is that difference is not there. Everyone is getting the same thing, everyone is getting the same answers. Press conference can also give false importance in the topic to even promote it. See, at times, just I told you in my previous lecture also, that I'm really sorry for using this kind of word, that these people are also known as media devils. Why media devils? Why I'm calling this word? Because they can manipulate the thing the way they feel like. Say for example, if country India is not able to succeed in coping with the situation of pandemic, and a press conference is being held, and one person from a particular party is representing a particular section. Say for example, he asked a question from a leader that, don't you think that the opening up of any situation was a real answer to the pandemic? So if the answer comes according to his idea, that means what he thinks or what his party people thinks, then though it is very okay. Otherwise, the concept will be that he can manipulate the things also. So the concept of manipulation can be there in your press conference also. So whatever you are saying, say in that particular thing that everyone has a proper knowledge of it. And since it's a human tendency to manipulate, they can also go for manipulation also. Why should you hold a press conference? The thing is that when there are so much of disturbances, so the question will be arising in your mind. So then why should we hold a press conference? Is it necessary? Yes, students, it is necessary to hold a particular press conference. And why? You can give more information than in press release. See, in a press release, you will just tell that, see, people, I am opening this particular shop, or I am opening this particular event just for you people, and the price is this, the concept is this, and this is how it will function, only this much. But in your press conference, you will be able to exaggerate more on the issues. Like, so you can just go for as to how you have actually thought of this process, or what was the thing all about. That means you are able to give complete information in your press conference rather than your in press release. A press conference is interactive. You can answer question from press and emphasize the point that you might not answer the chance to make. See, if at times you have seen that the conference of Ramdev ji. So what when he just introduced the concept, those corally, the capsule of that coronavirus. So he said that this is a particular medicine that is going to cure this particular virus, and then he called upon a press conference. So in that particular press conference, there was a question answer round, and the question answer round was so much to see. Press people ask too many questions, and this is going to be just because of the reason, because you are sharing an information, and you are sharing the information for the sole purpose of the consumers, and the consumers want to know something, so they are representing the consumers. The concept is that it is an interactive way. Just by writing something that you are the best won't be able to suffice the thing. If you are actually the best, then you have to focus upon the aspect of interaction. Interaction will make the thing much more better. You can announce an important development and explain the significant local and wider application. See, you can announce an important development. Say, for example, it is generally in those kind of situations. Say, for example, say the in Maggie, there was a lead. So people from Nestle actually hold a press conference, or actually there was a press conference being held, in which it was being told that this is what the concept of Maggie was, and this was what we were doing, and this is what we will do. So the concept is thing, or the thing is that you are able to convince people by just answering the questions in such a manner that each and every angle should be clear. You can get the record straight away. You can straight away get the response from it. You can often generate a kind of notice and publicity. A spot on 6 TV news, for instance, that you otherwise have to pay for a large amount. See, you can also generate a kind of a notice. Say, for example, if you can say that my company is now going to offer this particular thing, and this thing can be promoted by your press conference only. So the concept is that it might be so that in particular TV channel is the if you are particularly launching something or creating something new. So the concept is that you have to promote it, and if you want to promote a particular thing, you can promote a particular thing very conveniently in your press conference, because the thing is that if you promote a particular thing on those TV channels and all, or those 6 p.m. shows or 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. shows, the main criteria or the main element will lose. But in a press conference, everything will be open and everything will be clear in front of the eyes of the other. A successful media conference can only generate news, but can also boost the morale of your own group. See, the more press conference you hold, the better are the chances to boost the morale of the people. People will actually come to know, and the people will be thrilled that press conferences are being held. See, the concept is that many of us believe that press conference is a kind of very tiresome issue, and when you are calling a press conference, you will be just answering to the rapid fire round of the questions of the media persons. But the concept is that, student, that you will be now in a position to boost your morale of the company people. The company people will feel that yes, this is what company is doing, and we are really what we are working for, or what we have worked by burning our oils day and night. Uh, this is the thing what we are what we are going to get. When should you hold a press conference? Now, you and your organization could hold a particular conference whenever there is an event in your organization. For example, an education funding bill were introduced by the in a state legislature. You might want to convince the press that the same morning to react the bill's implication. So the concept is that if a particular point is being raised by a company, say you can you're let's take the other example. If a particular captain of the team or the main boss of the team is to be replaced, why you are actually replacing him? You will be calling a particular press conference, and in that press conference it is an event, it is a major event. See, a change of the captain, or giving a particular charge to the other person, what is the reason? The meeting is to be called at large just to make everyone aware that this is what is the reason. The people who are actually investing into your company, the stakeholders, the shareholders, should come to know that this is the reason that why you are changing the captain, or changing the boss. Because the thing is that many a times it has happened that people who were the boss of the company, they have to be changed because of the personal reasons or for the company reasons also. So the thing is that you have to make the people convinced that after the switch, or after the actually change, nothing is going to change. And for that, you cannot go to each and every person, you have to hold a particular press conference. Now, the concept is that when should you actually hold? When the event includes a prominent individual to whom the media should have access. See, the thing is that when, just like I told you that a particular boss of the company is being changed, who is actually replacing him, and why that particular person has been replaced. This thing is to be told to the people there and then, so that the moment that change is being made, the press conference should be held, and after that the thing should be made into large that this is the reason why we have changed it, and he is more capable, or the capability is going to prove this thing. When you have significant announcement to make, such as campaign, start lobbying a victory. If you want to make an announcement can be of any type. If you're launching a campaign, say for example, if your company is creating a kind of a campaign where you're educating the girl child or educating the laborers, so you will be actually calling a particular meeting at large, a meeting, not a meeting but a conference at large, in which you will be telling that this is the company's objective. Earlier the objective of the company was to promote the education, and that is why we are promoting education by giving the education criteria also to the poor or to the laborers. For that also you have to make a press conference. So this is the time when there is an emergency crisis, just like in pandemic situation. Pandemic situation, you have seen that in pandemic situation, our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, have often occurred at times. Why he is doing so? He is actually addressing people at large so that people may be convinced that something is there for them. When the number of group of participant in action show to support will or an emphasis action on the news. When a particular judgment is to be made about a particular bill or a particular movement, say for example, it is being said that if instead of Virat Kohli, Indian captain would be switched to Rohit Sharma and all, or someone else will be the charge of the ship. So does this thing will create an impact on people, and how it will change the angle? You have to report the people to large when you are react when you want to react to relevant event. For example, the national report relevant to your issue is released. See, when you are want to convince your stakeholders that your particular profit is safe with us. So all in all, you have to conduct a particular meeting when these kind of event will come into a place. So the concept is that the press conference or the press meeting or the press conference at large can be held upon when these kind of issue will really occur. How do you hold a particular press conference? See, students, you have to keep in mind that there are following the steps in order to particularly hold a kind of meeting. For that, you have to define a message. Now, what is your goal to be introduced or shed more light on the issue or announcement of the program or event reacting of the news? 3 to 5 key point to the press. Whatever the message it should summarize in 3 to 5 key point. See, you have to define your message. The message should be such that should be eye catching. Many a times when you call upon a press meeting or a press conference, people get confused and they get messed up. The thing is just the reason because that people were not able to communicate that the main content of the message is this. So if you want to create a kind of innovation, if innovation actually happened in your company, or some kind of major honor or major award is being given to any of the people of your company, or some kind of criticism is being handled by you, or you are handling a particular criticism of any company, or why should the stakeholders should invest in your company only. So this is the particular kind of message which you should promote at large in the press conference. And remember, only 3 to 4 points of message should be there. You cannot say those 10 points message should be given to the public, to be given to the press people and all, because press people really don't have time to for all these kind of things. So they will just look at those 3 to 4 points and just try to be much more or less in just 3 to 4 points, just summarize the entire thing, and so that they can get the real picture of what the conference is all about. Secondly, schedule the date and time. So here are some tips. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays are the best days for press conference as they are considered slower news days. Try to have the press conference on one of the days as possible. So your Tuesdays, your Wednesdays, and your Thursdays. If you have a look at these particular day frame, it is the middle days which is going to occur. See, on Monday, everyone will be very just here and cry will be there, and no one will be able to listen to those kind of media news and all. People will be much more busy because just after Sunday they will be just busy with their own work. So the concept is that on Tuesday if you call a meeting, or on Wednesday if you call a meeting, or if you on Thursday you call a meeting, the chances will be that on Friday the thing get easily into the heads of the people of press, and they can make a release of it. And secondly, by Saturday you can get the reaction, and on Sunday when everyone is going to sit in a relaxed mood, they can read your thing and they can communicate and they can discuss, and by Monday you can have your plan of action. So the concept is that the best days of holding a particular press conference is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays only. The best time scheduled is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. that ensure maximum coverage of media. See, 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Just like in the previous point only, I told you that it is the middle of the days. In the similar manner, from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., it is a time frame where the people are much into the work. They are almost started working. So 11 to from 10 to 11, people are actually into their work. they will listen to the aspect, they will actually associate with you, and they can make the things at possible. Remember, you are competing with all other news of the day, so don't be worried if they doesn't show up. The concept is that, student, that say for example your particular conference or your particular thing is not being piled up or has not been showed by those media persons. So don't worry about that, because they have a number of news and they will publish it. Don't think that they won't be publishing your thing. They will publish it, but when the time will actually come. So these are the basic points by which you, the first thing is you have to define the message. The second thing is you have to deal with the date and time. Now, third angle is pick the site. Make sure you pick a location for the press conference that is adequate parking and not too much far from the reporters to travel. And it should be, you can say, in the state capitol building, the city courthouse, or local clinic, whatever the thing is that. So the concept is that if you are holding a meeting, if you are just like in the meeting aspect, there was a concept of venue, that the venue should be kept into mind before actually conducting of the meeting. In the similar manner, just like in venue, the press site should be kept into mind. You have to choose that site which is convenient for the press people to come. If you are choosing a particular site where the people cannot be easily assessed through, or they cannot actually come into and have a question answer round with you, the press conference, the sole aim of informing others or communicating with the people of press, will fail down. So you have to take into mind that the site should be appropriate. Select and train your participants. At this stage, your planning process, you will probably want to have anyone from your group participant in press conference. You will you will want your participants to knowledgeable and articulate on the issues. Many a times it is being seen that in press conference there are where those kind of bloopers always occur. And what are these bloopers? Bloopers, like say for example, mic do not work, or this is the technical aspect. If you go on the aspect of the participant or the basic constraint, the participant are themselves not clear. Say for example that they are not being clear about the aspect of the company, the aspect of the parties, and I'm really sorry, I'm not against any person, but but if you have ever witnessed the conferences of or press conferences of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, bloopers is a best example for that. So how do you hold a press conference? Now, there are certain tips by which you can be holding a particular perfect press conference. Be clear, concise, and avoid jargons, rhetoric, inflammatory languages, and all these should be avoided. See, the concept is that if you are giving, see, you are not giving a lecture. In a lecture, the concept on and this and okay, now this thing can happen, but in your press conference, you have to be concise, you have to be logical, and avoid those kind of jargons and those repetitive words. Assume that the audience is intelligent and avoid sounding patronizing. See, you need not to patronize something. The thing is that you have to believe that that whomsoever you are addressing to, or never do this, that at times at time it has happened many a times that people believe that people who are sitting in the press, they do not actually know about this particular thing, and they can be taught anything the particular person wants. So the concept is that the press is so intelligent and the media persons are so intelligent that they are capable to handle any kind of situation. So you have to calm down your nerves and show only the intelligentsia up to the level when it is required. Don't fiddle and clutch anything. It is distracting. See, concept is, say for example, you are having a press conference. Don't fiddle with your this. Don't fiddle with your specs. It will look that don't fiddle with any of the pens and all, because it will look that as if you are confusing or you are being confused about anything. Always appearance counts. Your dress should be appropriate, and that has been already told you n number of times that you have to be formal at large. Always tell truth. See, uh, students, this is generally being told to you, and I will also tell you that if you speak truth, the words will not actually stuck into your mouth. And the moment you start speaking lies, those kind of line will occur, the sweat will occur onto your face, and the thing will be much more illogical. So the concept is that during the press conference, you have to believe that these media people who are actually taking the interview, they are they are here just to listen to truth. You cannot evade anything from them, or you cannot hide anything from them. They will some way or the other. There are many mechanisms which are there with the press people. They can adopt any techniques to get the truth into your mouth. So the thing is that if you and your group are new in this, you want to attend at least one of the press conference and feeling what they'd like to do. So the concept is that many a times it is said that if you are new or you are holding a particular press conference for the very first time, so remember to check the press conference of any of the previous types or any of the previous. You can attend the press conference of someone to have a look as to what kind of question and how should the question should be answered. Contact the media. This is the next point. You have to contact the media. Remember, if you are contacting the media, you have to contact the media by using an appropriate channel. The tools should be appropriate, and press advisory tools section should be there. That means that it should be in a manner that the communication should not fails. Follow up with the media. If you are particularly calling a particular meeting, remember, follow the media. Follow up is very necessary because the moment you say that, okay, today is a press conference, and people have to be reminded. These press people will have to be reminded about on the issue that today is the press conference, and you have to come to the office or you have to come to the venue. Only then they will be feeling that yes, something is going to really happen. Develop a press kit. A press kit is a folder information. Give reporters background information about your issues and all. It is almost like your press release and all. Now, what is there in the press kit? Press kit will involve the press conference participant, a list of participants. The press releases will be there. The background information will be there. Few black and white glossy photographs will be there. Those literally short biographies and Reddit news. So the concept is this: why press kit is being given? Press kit is being given just to make the press allure towards the company and to feel that something they are to do and they are being called upon for this particular reason. Say for example, the things like the press conference participant. That means that these are the people who will be there in the participant. The name of the participants. The releases. That means the press release will be there. That as to what is the reason behind it. The background information. That means the background information about the event or about the company or about any other thing. Those black and white glossy photographs is being given just for making it more interesting. Short biographies of people should be given. That means that this is the company boss and this is what he has done and these are the achievements. Now you have to prepare a room. Now the thing is that you are now conduct a meeting. So the concept is that you are contacting your media, then follow up your media, then prepare a particular press kit, and after that prepare the room. Prepare the room will involve each and everything. How you will be actually preparing the room of the conference. Check the location of the electric outlets, microphones, and lights. Remember, students, that if you are conducting a particular kind of press conference, you have to check each and every angle of it. You have to check each and every aspects. The light is proper, the electric outlets are proper, everything. Set up a room with table enough, seat of a spokespeople with the name cards onto it. Remember, the batches should be there. At the back seat, the press should be written, and everything should be at large. The houses should be divided. The chairs, if it is a chair, it should be divided into the cubic aspect, and if it is table, the car should be kept that this is for this particular business house, or this is for this particular press. Provide enough sitting room in a particular reporter. Yes, remember students that you have to keep into mind that your cameras, your microphones will also be there. So the press needs to affix all those cameras and microphones everywhere. So they should be given ample amount of space to so that they can make those kind of arrangements and all. Display visuals like charts, table posters can be made at large. Have coffee, tea, water, and any refreshment on the setup. The concept was that during the question answer round, or after those kind of event actually has happened, the water bottle should be there, or tea, coffee, or snacks should be there, so that the people should be made comfortable. See, why we are doing this thing? We are doing this thing just to create a goodwill into the eyes of the press. And once the press feels good about something, they will actually print that particular thing into your thing. At the press conference, welcome the members. You have to welcome the members. You have to make the affiliations, make the seat conference and all, check for the signs, state a proximity, record the event. Each participant should be given 3 to 5 minutes only. Remember, if you are uh, emphasizing upon a particular point, and there are, say, 5 members into your block, so remember to give 3 to 5 minutes only, because a press conference, if it is being held and there are 8 members, 5 minutes to each will make it 40 minutes. So 40 minutes is, you can say, is more also and is less also for the press people. So you actually have to make a sync with the people so that you can decide upon the time also. After the press conference, to extend, make a personal representative, at least the major media representative. Yeah, remember that after the conference is being held, you have to make your particular press release short and pleasant. You have to thank them. By looking through their attendance register, you should be able to determine the major media which were not present. The people who are not being present in your particular press conference, you have to you can extend your warm wishes to them also, just by sending a thank you note. You might review the press conference with other from the organization they attend, and the concept is that you can also check that had these people not gone into the other press conference, which were your rivals one. So the concept is that you cannot sit idle after the press conference. After press conference, the real work starts. You have to actually work with press people and have to communicate to them that you're literally very thankful to them that they have come to the press. Let us have another angle of press conference also. This is the press release. What is a press release? Like I've told you that in a meeting, I'm sorry, in the particular, just like in a particular meeting, there is a notice in a particular meeting, and after the meeting, or you can say before the meeting actually starts, the notice comes into existence. Press release have to be come into existence before the actually press conference starts, and press release can also be made afterwards also. So the concept of press release is that it is like an information which is being given to the people of media house, that this was the meeting all about, and this is what we have discussed, and this is what you ought to believe and you ought to publish. So it is just like a book, a small, you can say, a handout being given by the company to the people of media, so that they can print that thing only into the newspapers. Press release and an official statement delivered to the member of news media for the purpose of providing information, and an official statement or making an announcement. Just like I told you earlier, that it is an official announcement of something which is being discussed in your particular press conferences. A press release is a traditional composition of nine structural elements that include headline, introduction, body, and other information. So basically, if you just talk about press release, in a press release, there are an imbibation of nine elements are there. In a nine elements, it will primarily include the headline. That means that this was the topic all about. The introduction. That means that as to what was being discussed, the body, what was being asked and all, and the other information. Use those vital information which you have given to the people of press. So the concept is that press release can be delivered to the media physically on paper or on electronically. That means you can actually create a Word document and can send in those press houses and all, so that they can actually print the print aspect. Remember that whatever you are discussing in your press conference, you should be able to deliver that thing only into the press release. If you have been discussed something which a particular press person or a particular media house have discussed with you, you have to mention that thing also. You cannot evade or you cannot hide anything from the press release. You have to mention the real content. The press release can save company time and money. Its constant format style is distributed in media. In digital age, the consumer want to get the information instantly, which puts pressure on the news media to produce the output. See, we people belong to the age of digital platforms, and we all want that we should get the first-hand information. The very first information should be given to us only. So the concept is that when we are into this habit of having each and every information at large, so we can have this kind of press release. But the real pressure on press release was or on press houses is that to produce the exact kind of information which was being discussed in the press conferences. Because, say for example, if someone says that medicine of COVID-19 is there, and a particular company like you can name any of the company like Ranbaxy or Kepla and all have produced this particular capsule. So when Kepla and Ranbaxy will hold a particular meeting, people will be eager to know that what is this capsule all about and how it will rectify this thing, and is it actually logical. So the concept is that if the press release or whatever is being discussed in the press conference of Ranbaxy and all is being discussed with and that is being published in the exact content, this is logical. Otherwise, the thing will go frail in advance. Importance release. It announces about the new product and services. It improves the brand image. Like I've already told you that it is going to introduce, say for example, a particular news is there, or you can say a particular product is being launched into the market, and people want to know about it, that whether this product is useful or not. Press release is going to create a kind of an impression into their mind, improve the brand image. Just like you can take the example of Maggie, Patanjali. There are n number of things, and there are n number of companies who have actually gained momentum after losing their hopes into the as the consumer. They literally gained momentum with their press release only. Image help to drive interest. Image will the press release will create an image, video, and other media, which means you can convey with. See, the concept is that when a particular press or a particular press release comes into news, it will create an interest factor. Instant worldwide distribution is there, expanding of public knowledge is there, viral possibilities is being made, portability and convenience is there, and is a search engine optimization. People won't have to search on Google and all. They can just read the newspapers into the press release and get the information. Advantages: it releases and picked it press release are picked by other publications. It is released to build a link. It helps the journalist to check the informations, and it refines your messages. About the disadvantages, if you go for the disadvantages, it will not improve the communication with the consumer. See, press release is just a information. It cannot convince any consumer. For that, consumer need to practice thing and they have to believe in it. Press release is hard to measure. Press is saying that this particular company is very good, but can you believe this particular thing? Or for that you have to try it. Press release are not cost effective. The biggest disadvantage is that the cost efficiency is very high. Now, about the elements of press release, there is a headline as to what we can know as the title. Title of press release, try to keep it concise and engaging. Summary, that means the key notice. Remember, 5 Ws, that is who, what, when, where, and why. In summary, you have to mention and answer only these things, that is who, what, when, where, and why. In press release also, when you are mentioning the summary, mention this accordingly. Date and location. Date and location could be used by using any kind of style. You can use the style which suits you. You can make the date first and then the month and then the year, or the year first, then the month and then the date, whichever suits you. Body. Body should be, you can say, quotes are usually cited from the key stakeholders or directly involvement with the announcement. See, if you are citing a quote, say for example, Tata says these things, or Birla says these things, or this particular person says these things, and you're citing this thing. So remember to cite it with those italics and all to clear the examples. Boilerplate about the company, that means the tagline which is going to attract people at large. And then close it. Remember to close it with the following symbol of hashtags and all. 5 basic press release of writing tips. You have to think like a journalist. Make sure that your story has a value. You have to follow the inverted pyramid. That means the most important thing will come first, then the secondary detail, and then the additional inflow. That means you are creating an inverted triangle. That means the main content. This is what was the main content about. Right, 8 lines of that. Then the secondary details, which was being provided by the company people, and then the additional informations. Include useful quotes, eliminate fluffs. This that means that those kind of bloopers and all, eliminate that thing, and follow AP style. AP style is being is to be followed at large. Just that thing which you tend to follow in your books and all. Simple steps. You have to find your angle. Remember, students, when you are writing a press release, you have to find your angle to the view. Write your headline. Right, I have already told you, you have to write a headline which is eye catching, that actually catches your attention. Write your lead. You have to lead the thing. Write 2 or 3 strong paragraphs and supporting details. Include quotes. Remember that if you are including quotes, remember, cite only that quote which is logical, otherwise don't cite it. Include contact information. Include the boilerplate copy. So that was the press conference and press release. Let's make a quick recap of what we have done till so far. We discussed about press conference. We have understood the concept of press conference, the advantages and the disadvantages, as to why we should hold a press conference, when we should hold a press conference, and how can we hold a press conference. What is press release? I told you about the press release. That is just, it is a kind of formal notice which is being made before the particular conference actually takes place, and also it is to be made after the conference is being held. Advantages and disadvantages, elements of press release, 5 basic press release writing tips, and I've also told you the 7 simple steps of writing a particular press release. So with this, I come to an end of yet another lengthy lecture of mine. And the concept is that press conference or press release is a very important issue from the point of view of any businessman. You all are the budding managers, you all are the budding entrepreneurs of the country. And for you, if you want to hold a press conference in the near future, which I know that my students are capable enough, that they will be holding a very good conference, and they will be also sharing the press release that which is apt for their own knowledge. So for that thing, this slide or this lecture is of ultimate use. But still, if anything or any doubt is not being clear to you, or any part of the site is not being clear to you, you can write me on my email. You can also share the things with me on my WhatsApp and all. You can come to me in my cubicle and discuss the thing if any of the things is not being clear to you. And remember, press conference and press release is a very essential part of your aspect of management world. And the thing is that if you're going to have an application based of it, you can get the best of you. Until my next lecture, thank you.